Mo te wā tuatahi, ka mau I Amelia Pasikala te poraka o ngā Wāhine I te kapa Kiwi ki te kāinga nei hei nei rangi whakatā. Ko whakawhiti te rangitahi nei mai te tākaro futupolo Uniana mo ngā tui o te matau a Maui ki te tākaro I te whakataeta NRL mo ngā Wāhine. Ka kōrero tō mātou pia riri a Dalton Riri ki Amelia I aia e whakangungu ana.
Mai te whutupōro Uniana ki te whutupōro Reiki, koinei tētahi o ngā Kiwi o Aotearoa, e hora nei ana pūkenga ki te ao.
It was amazing, honestly. It was so surreal. It didn't really kick in until we done the haka, and I thought that was so special. Doing it in front of a crowd in your country colours, it was special.
Ko Amelia Pasikala tērā I tākaro mo te kapa Kiwi mo te wā tuatahi I tērā wiki. Nō nā tata tonu nei aia ka whakawhiti mai I te whakataetai Uniana o Wharapama ki te tau whāinga NRLW ki ahi te reiria.
I was still 50-50 whether I made the right choice or not. You know, being a homegrown union player to a whole different ball game, it was hard. And just, yeah, those big sacrifices I had to make moving away from my home.
Engari ko te huarahi kua whai e tēnei wahine te kaumā I watau te pakeke, e hara I te huarahi ngāwari.
These years that I've actually put into footy, it's, I don't know, made me realise that's not what I want to do. I need to change, you know. I may have been brought up with it, but there's always time to change and change the narrative, I think. You know, I grew up around the gangs, the drugs. You know, that was always on the side, and that's what I was known for, unfortunately.
Heoi, hei tātana paua ko a Ricky Henry, kua whai hua ngā Kiwi I te piringa atu a Pasikala ki te tīma.
She adds a lot of value just through her physical presence. She comes with a lot of power. And, you know, that's sort of how we used it against the Jillaroos as well. More or less trying to give everyone a bit of a run there. We've got some players that are making their debut again this week, which is awesome. And we want to sort of see them. Our goal is really to build towards the 2026 World Cup. I
just really, really want to pave that way for our people, especially back home, especially in small towns, you know. We don't have much resources and facilities, so we make do with what we got.
Ko tana whainga nui, he para I tēnei huarahi mō ngā taiohi o te haukāinga.
And I really want a black fern jersey, so that's definitely a goal of mine. And also to get a All-Stars Māori jersey, I think that's definitely something I want to work towards.
Hei te rā horoi ka tuki te kapa Kiwi ki te kapa Wāhine o Tonga, mo te whakataetai Pacific Championships ki ngā ana wai. Riri a Dalton Reedy, te ao mārama.